Okay, right, if we look to the board then please, we'll go through this question. Okay, you're going to get one of these in the paper, no doubt, right? They love to put them in, they're always there, okay? Every paper that we've had in the past, they're there, right? So let's get to grips with it. It says Amira is playing a game with two fair spinners, right? The faces of the spinners are shown in the below. So you've got spinner A, okay? So when this gets spun, right, this arrow obviously spins round and it'll stop on one of these numbers, okay? And the same then for spinner B. So it tells you the numbers on both spinners. It says then, I mean, you've got to read this, right? Okay, and once you've read it, you'll feel a lot better about the question probably, because it is quite clear. Amira spins spinner A, and then she spins spinner B. She works out her score by multiplying the number on spinner A by 3 and adding the answer to the number on spinner B. Okay? For example, if the number on spinner A is 5, okay, there, and the number on spinner B is 7, like we've got the arrow there, then Amira's score would be this here. Okay, so it says she's multiplying the score on spinner A by 3. Okay, so 3 times 5, and then adding the number on spinner B, which is 7. So when you work that out, 3 times 5 is 15, plus 7 is 22. So when it comes then to filling in this space diagram here, okay, you can see some of them are filled in. If we start off with that one there, okay, on spinner A, right, if we want this box here, yeah? So if we look across, on spinner A is 2. So remember, we've got to multiply that by 3. So you get 6, and then add that number there. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay? The same here, right? You look across. Again, it's 2 on spinner A. So you multiply that by 3. So you get 6. Add that number there, you get 14. Okay, let's have a look on the second row. On the second row, of course, you look across, you've got 4 on spinner A. So multiply that by 3, gives you 12. Add that number there, gives you 13. This number here, this box here, so again, you go across, of course, it's still 4, yeah, on spinner A. So that's 4 times 3 is 12. Plus the 7 then is 19. Third row, you've got here this box. Look across, you've got 5 on spinner A. So that's times that by 3, you get 15. And then add that 3, gives you 18. Okay, last one box on this third row. Again, you've got 5 on spinner A, so multiply that by 3, which is 15. Add the 8, 23. And then last row, you've got 6, yeah, 6 on spinner A, so times that by 3, you get 18. Add the 1 is 19. And then here you've got, what have you got? 6 on spinner A, so multiply that by 3 is 18, add the 7 is 25. Okay, so you filled in here now your space diagram. Part B, it says, find the probability that Amira's score is less than 15. Okay, so when they ask for probability, remember now when they ask for this, you need, in most cases, a fraction. Okay, in most cases, a fraction. In this case, it's going to be a fraction. Okay? So, what I would do to start with is work out all the possible outcomes. Okay? The possible outcomes are here in this possibility diagram here, right? So you've got, if you count them, you've got 4 along that row, 4 along this row, 4 here, 4 here. So 16 outcomes. Okay? Don't count these, okay? Don't worry about these. These are just looking at the individual, aren't they? Outcomes of spinner B, spinner A. This is the results that you get. So there's 16 results. Okay, so it's out of 16. Now, how many are less than 15? That's what it's asking. So let's count them. We've got that one there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We won't include that one because that is 15. It's not less than 15. So that's it, isn't it? I think that's all we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 16. Okay? And you've got the 2 marks there for completing that.